Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So yesterday what happened, we can see this. What I have told you, if you see that it taking support here, your first target will be this and second target will be this and third target. Okay, what happened? It opened a gap down and then taken here only support. Okay, what I have told you, this is the one trend line. It comes down, taking support and breaks. So what happened? This is your first target. You have seen that this is the resistance. If you buy it here and sell here, so buy it C and sell here, you have got very nice profit. Then you can see that it taking here support, first support. Then you can surely go for first target. You have achieved within three to four candles. Okay, it will consolidate and it achieves also second target hour, but it continuously consolidate, so our premium will decay. So your two target yesterday hit. Okay, now we can see in Dow Jones what I have told you. In Dow Jones, if it comes down and taking resistance, what happened? It open gap down, then taking resistance, then breaks and then come up, and you can see this here it is taking a support. Okay, first time it's tried, not gone. Second time it's tried and our first target is achieved. Okay, then again come and taken support here only. What I have told you, here only it taken support, then goes once again upside. You can see that this is only a supporting area. When what I have told you, here only this, you can see that here and here it taken support and hit it once again our target. Two target you have got in Dow Jones also. Okay, we can see that how tomorrow Nasdaq and Dow Jones and some other index works. Okay, now let me clear this. Okay, this is our one of the supporting and this is the resistance zone. Okay, this is the resistance. So what happened if it resist or take support here? Okay, it will take support. You can go for first target. If it resist here, okay, take on resisting something, so your first target will be this and your second target will be this supporting area. Okay, these two for Nasdaq. Now we can see in Dow Jones. Okay, you can see that this is the Dow Jones. If it breaking, okay, taking support up till here only, your first target will be, immediate target will be this. Okay, if market sentiment goes down, so what happen? If it opens gap or something here, then taking resistance. Okay, so your first target and second target, what I have previously told you, this is your target. Okay, now we can see Nasdaq 100. Okay, what we have seen is this is the one of the supporting areas. Okay, now what I am saying is, okay, now what happened if it's open gap up or something? Okay, then it taking here only support, then you can surely go for your first target will be this and second target will be something here. Okay, this first target and this will be your second target for Nasdaq 100 index in upside. In downside you can see that it comes downside. Okay, taking resistance here. Your first target, immediate target will be this. Okay, then second target will be here only. This is first second target, and yeah, it comes in flow, so you can take third target also. Okay, now we can see in US 100. Okay, uh, FTSE 100 index. Okay, firstly we see this index. Okay, then we can talk about that. This is the SPX 500 index. Okay, what happened? You can see here it acting as a supporting area. It comes and slightly before it taken a support and goes up. Okay, this is at the time of here now. Okay, this is the one of the resistance area we have marked. Okay, now what happened if it breaks? Okay, open gap down, gap up something, your first target will be this. Okay, first target will be this. Once again, your first target will be here something. Okay, your second target will be from here to here. Okay, you can also have a third target up till here. Okay, this three target in upside. In downside, if it taking a open here only and taking resistance. Okay, what happened is your first target will be this, second target will be this, and third target. You can go for these three target in downside. Okay, now we can talk about UK 100, FTS 100. Okay, what we have seen is we can go for 30 minutes chart. Okay, on this is like a choppy market. Okay, something, this is continuously resisting. Okay, this is the resistance area, and here is, you can see that one of the supporting areas. Okay, it is taking resistance continuously. If it continuously taking resistance, so what happens if it comes back and then it crossing this, so you can expect that it will goes in flow. Okay, or take support, you can easily achieve nice target. Okay, I have marked how much you can take a target. This is your first target. Okay, and this is your second target. One second. From here to here, this is your second target. Okay, in upside. In downside, you can see that it is taking resistance, so probably is to here it will come once again. Okay, you can see that here once again it will come. It is a probability it will come and take support. If it doesn't take support here, okay, then it crosses taking here a resistance, then you can easily achieve this much target. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.